Namaskaram. In today's class, we are going to learn parameterized queries in Python MySQL interface. There are different ways to do the same, but we are going to discuss the latest one, that is using format method. So, first of all, we have to know what is this format method. Format is a string formatting method in Python. The syntax is a string dot format, then within bracket arguments. We will see some examples. Print, then a string I am, then I put a curly bracket, years old, then close the quotes there, then dot format. That is, the format is a method of string object, a string dot format. Then as the argument I am going to give a value 40. Close the bracket. See the output. I am 40 years old. That is, the value given as the argument is substituted here instead of this curly bracket. Another example, print my name is curly bracket, comma, I am again curly bracket, years old. Close the quotes there, dot format. Then here I have two curly bracket, so I am going to give two arguments. First one is a string, so I have to use quotes. Compute teacher, then a number. Close the print function. See the output. My name is compute teacher. I am 40 years old. That is, the first curly bracket is substituted by the first argument and the second curly bracket is substituted by the second argument. So, format is a string formatting method in Python, and this format method allows multiple substitutions. There are some more uses for this format, but now we are not going to discuss all those. And next we will see how to use this format method in our Python MySQL interface. First we will do the insert query, that is how to insert user inputted data in our student table. See the student table. At present it is having three attributes, roll number, name and place, and also having 5 records. Then about the program, up to cursor creation we have discussed, same here also. Then we have to accept the values from the user. For that, use the input statement. Roll number is an integer, so use int of. Then name and place are strings. After that, cursor object dot execute, insert into student values. Here we have 3 values. First one is RNO, it is an integer, so put the curly bracket there. Then name is a string, so use quotes, then curly bracket. Again, place is a string, curly bracket, then closing bracket, then close the string. Dot format. Then as the argument of this format function, you have to give RNO, the variable names, RNO, name and place. Then close the execute function. After insertion, commit, then close. Run the program. Enter roll number. Next roll number is 6. Enter name, Devika. Enter place, Adur. We will check the table. Our record is inserted. Next we will see the update query. Update our student table using user inputted data. We are going to change the name of a particular student. After cursor creation, I am going to accept the roll number whose name has to be changed. Int of input roll number then new name equal to input and the name. We are going to change the name of a student with this new name whose roll number is accepted in RNO. For that, give the query mycar dot execute. The query is update student set name equal to curly bracket within quotes where roll no, that is the name of our attribute, roll no equal to curly bracket. Then close the quotes, dot format first value is the new name, then RNO. Close the execute function. We are accepting the roll number whose name has to be changed and also the new name. Then update student set name, that is the name of our attribute, that is equal to this string, that is the new name inputted by the user, where roll number equal to RNO, the value of RNO that is inputted by the user. Then commit and close. Run the program. I am going to change the name of the student whose roll number is 6. So give 6, then new name Krishna. We will see the table, content of the table before updation, then after updation. See, the name is changed from Devika to Krishna. Next is delete query, that is delete some records from our student table based on user input. We are going to delete the details of a particular student based on the roll number. For that, accept the roll number from the user whose record has to be deleted. Int of input, enter the roll number, then mycar dot execute within quotes, give the query, that is delete from student where roll no. Roll no is our attribute name, roll no equal to curly bracket. No need of quotes because it is an integer, closing bracket, then dot format, give RNO as the argument, that is the variable name in which the roll number is stored. Close, then close the execute function, then commit and close. Run the program, enter the roll number. I am going to delete the details of the student whose roll number is 5. So give 5 here. We will see the table, MySQL, select star from student, record with roll number 5 is deleted. Next is searching. Search based on the roll number inputted by the user. First do the connection, then create the cursor object, then accept the roll number that is to be searched from the user. RNO equal to int of input, enter the roll number to be searched, then mycar dot execute, select star from student where roll no, that is name of our attribute, equal to curly bracket, close the string, dot format RNO, the variable, close execute. This statement will execute the select query and returns a result set, and that result set is referred by the cursor object mycar. So using this cursor object mycar, we can extract all the rows in that record set. For that, use a loop for row in mycar print row. Then close the connection. Run the program. Enter the roll number to be searched. 2. The record is displayed in the form of a tuple. Here roll number is a unique value, so the record set contains only a single row. And even if the record set contains only a single row, we have to use the for loop because the result is in the form of a record set. See, I got the result in the form of a tuple. And if I want to display the roll number, name and place separately, I have to use roll number row of 0, that is my first value. Then name row of 1, second value. Then place row of 2. Here only 3 columns, so I have given the print statement separately. Otherwise you can use a loop. Run the program. Enter the roll number to be searched. 3. Roll number 3. Name Rahul. Place Kochi. Another method to display the search result using fetch one method. The result of this query will be a single record because roll number is a unique value. So the result set contains only a single record. Then fetch that record using fetch one method. The result will be stored in row in the form of a tuple. Then display each value in that tuple. I will show you the result. Enter the roll number to be searched. 2. Roll number 2. Name Gayatri. Place Tiruvalla. So we have studied how to insert, delete, update and search using the values inputted by the user. So practice it. Thank you.